Benefits of krill oil versus fish oil. Krill oil has gained widespread popularity in recent years as a safe and healthy alternative to fish oil. The benefits of krill oil versus fish oil are nearly identical, but krill oil is more bioavailable, more sustainable, and less likely to be contaminated by mercury or heavy metals. So what is krill oil made from, how can it affect your health, and should you be adding it to your daily routine? Let's take a look. What is krill oil? Krill oil is a supplement extracted from a species of Antarctic krill, which is small, shrimp-like crustacean found in the Southern Ocean. Situated at the very bottom of the food chain, krill feed primarily on phytoplankton, or microscopic marine algae. Krill oil contains a highly concentrated amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to an extensive list of health benefits, from reduced inflammation to a decreased risk of chronic disease. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, krill oil also contains phospholipid-derived fatty acids as well as astaxanthin, a potent carotenoid revered for its antioxidant properties. Has phospholipids. As mentioned, the phospholipid factor definitely plays a significant role in how krill oil is absorbed by your body. Omega-3 fatty acids are water-soluble but cannot be transported in your blood while in their free form. Thus, they need phospholipids, something that krill oil readily has, but fish oil doesn't. This is why krill oil is 10 to 15 times better absorbed than fish oil. Contains phosphatidylcholine, composed partly of choline, a precursor for acetylcholine that sends nerve signals to your brain, and trimethylglycine, which has liver protective effects. Phosphatidylcholine is necessary for better absorption of omega-3 nutrients. If you opt for fish oil, your liver still needs to find and attach it to phosphatidylcholine, so that it can be better utilized. But since krill oil already has phosphatidylcholine, it's then more superior in terms of bioavailability. Take a look at any of the glowing krill oil reviews online and you'll soon see the powerful effect that this supplement can have on health. Krill oil benefits include everything from strengthening bones and joints to boosting brain health and more. Krill oil benefits. 1. Fights inflammation. Acute inflammation is a normal immune response that can help protect your body against foreign invaders. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, is thought to contribute to a range of health conditions, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease and even cancer. Krill oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids like docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. According to one study out of the University of Tehran in Iran, supplementing with omega-3 fatty acids for just 8 weeks was able to significantly reduce levels of inflammatory markers in the blood, reduce C-reactive protein. Krill oil also contains astaxanthin, a natural pigment that can help fight the free radicals that cause chronic inflammation. In addition to lowering the risk of chronic disease, the anti-inflammatory properties of krill oil could have far-reaching benefits that extend to nearly every aspect of health, from slowing aging to protecting against certain autoimmune conditions. 2. Improves heart health. Whether you're looking to drop your cholesterol levels or simply keep your heart in tip-top shape, krill oil may be able to help. Krill oil is jam-packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to reduced inflammation, a decreased risk of heart disease and improvements in cardiovascular function. One 2015 study conducted at Danbury Hospital focused on measuring the krill oil benefits on heart health in people with diabetes. Researchers found that taking 1,000 milligrams of krill oil reduced several heart disease risk factors and even increased levels of beneficial HDL cholesterol. Meanwhile, other studies have shown that the omega-3 fatty acids found in krill oil can lower heart rate and blood pressure, decrease high triglycerides and reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Clearly, the omega-3 content plays a huge role in krill oil benefits for the heart. 3. Keeps skin glowing. From acne to dermatitis, inflammation is at the root of many common skin conditions. One of the top benefits of krill oil for skin health is its content of omega-3 fatty acids, which have the ability to ease inflammation and keep your skin glowing. In one study out of South Korea, supplementation with omega-3 fatty acids was found to reduce inflammatory acne by an impressive 42%. Another animal study published in the Journal of Medical Investigation also showed that DHA and EPA, two types of omega-3 fatty acids found in krill oil, were able to block the production of a specific molecule involved in inflammation, aiding in the treatment of conditions like atopic dermatitis. Krill oil also contains astaxanthin, which may help improve skin health even more. According to one study in 2009, oral supplementation paired with topical application of astaxanthin reduced age spots and wrinkles while improving skin texture and moisture content. 4. Benefits brain health. The brain-boosting benefits of omega-3 fatty acids have been well documented. Omega-3 fatty acids are believed to help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety and even slow cognitive decline. Some evidence has also found that omega-3 fatty acids may be beneficial in the treatment of disorders like ADHD, bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. There is less research on the cognitive effects of krill oil specifically, but several studies have turned up promising results. A 2013 animal study, for example, showed that krill oil enhanced cognition and exhibited antidepressant effects in rats. Plus, another study showed that 12 weeks of supplementation with krill oil helped activate cognitive function in elderly men. 5. Supports strong bones and joints. Aging can take a big toll on your body, especially in the bones and joints. Conditions like osteoporosis and arthritis become increasingly prevalent with age as you begin to lose bone density and cartilage, causing symptoms like pain, stiffness and an increased risk of fractures. Some evidence suggests that the omega-3 fatty acids found in krill oil could help keep your bones and joints healthy and strong. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids can help preserve bone density and reduce the inflammation that contributes to bone and joint pain. More research is needed to evaluate the effects of krill oil in particular on bone and joint health, but the omega-3 in krill oil benefits bone health. 6. May be associated with reduced cancer risk. As if you needed another reason to get in your daily dose of krill oil, some research shows that omega-3 fatty acids could be associated with a decreased risk of certain types of cancer. In particular, studies have found that a higher intake of omega-3 fatty acids from supplementation or fish consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of prostate and breast cancer. A study published in the European Journal of Cancer Prevention also found that higher consumption of omega-3 fatty acids was associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. However, keep in mind that these studies show an association but don't take into account other factors that may play a role. More research is needed to determine how krill oil and omega-3 fatty acid intake may directly affect cancer development. 7. Aids in weight loss. Research shows that krill oil benefits weight loss, thanks to its omega-3 fatty acid content. In fact, studies have found that omega-3 fatty acids could help reduce appetite, kick up metabolism and rev up fat burning. One study published in Appetite showed that consuming at least 1.3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids daily increased feelings of satiety up to 2 hours after a meal. Other studies have found that omega-3 fatty acids can increase metabolism between 4% to 14% and amp up the amount of fat burned during exercise by up to 27%. Vitamin D is a cheap solution to heart drugs. Vitamin D is an inexpensive solution to heart drugs, find scientists as they reveal the Sunshine supplement can repair and prevent the damage caused by diabetes and high blood pressure. Stimulates the production of nitric oxide, which helps to regulate blood flow. Also prevents blood clots and lowers internal stress in the cardio system. Vitamin D may be able to repair damaged cells elsewhere, such as in the brain. Heart disease is defined as any disorder affecting the organ or blood vessels. Is the leading cause of death in adults in the U.S., resulting in 1 in 4 fatalities. The Sunshine supplement stimulates the production of nitric acid, which is involved in regulating blood flow and preventing the formation of blood clots, according to the first study of its kind. It also reduces internal stress in the cardiovascular system, which could avoid heart-related incidents, the research adds. Study author Dr. Tadeusz Maliński from Ohio University said, "There are not many, if any, known systems which can be used to restore cardiovascular cells which are already damaged, and vitamin D can do it. This is a very inexpensive solution to repair the cardiovascular system. We don't have to develop a new drug. We already have it." Heart disease, which is any disorder affecting the organ or blood vessels, is the leading cause of death in adults in the U.S., resulting in 1 in 4 fatalities. How the research was carried out. The researchers analyzed heart cells taken from a group of Caucasian and African Americans. They use special sensors to track the impact of vitamin D in those cells. This is a very inexpensive solution. Dr. Malinsky said, generally, vitamin D is associated with the bones. However, in recent years, in clinical settings people recognize that many patients who have a heart attack will have a deficiency. It doesn't mean the deficiency caused the heart attack, but it increased the risk. There are not many, if any, known systems which can be used to restore cardiovascular cells which are already damaged, and vitamin D can do it. This is a very inexpensive solution to repair the cardiovascular system. We don't have to develop a new drug. We already have it. The researchers believe vitamin D may also be able to repair damage to other types of cells, such as those found in the brain after a stroke. The findings were published in the journal Nanomedicine. Does vitamin D prevent arthritis? Vitamin D may prevent inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis, research suggested in November 2017. The so-called sunshine supplement strengthens the immune system, which helps to prevent the body from attacking healthy cells and causing autoimmune conditions, like arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, which causes joint swelling, may also benefit from vitamin D's anti-inflammatory effects. Yet, as the painful joint condition reduces a sufferer's vitamin D sensitivity, patients may not benefit from taking such supplements once they have developed the disorder, or at least not at recommended doses, according to the researchers. Study author Dr. Louisa Jeffrey from the University of Birmingham said, "Our research indicates that maintaining sufficient vitamin D may help to prevent the onset of inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis." However, for patients who already have rheumatoid arthritis, simply providing vitamin D might not be enough. Instead, much higher doses may be needed. The researchers analyzed blood and joint fluid from rheumatoid arthritis patients.